Run, don't walk. Are you ready for the recipe to 10K in May inside of our community? My mentor Michelle launched today. We're going to start this, you guys. We only got 2 days left. We're going to show you step by step how to achieve 10K in May. So what do you need to do? You need to get started with your digital program, and you need to get inside your community and get your free automated system set up and running. That way it's working for you 24/7 and you're ready for 10K in May. This is not a course, my friends. This is a program. It's a live, hands-on, interactive program where you can get on live and ask my mentor, Michelle, how she made $1 million in 17 months with digital marketing, and she started out as a complete beginner. We take out all the techie stuff, my friends, because there's no money made in tech. So it takes out all the tech, that eliminates the tech, and it saves you a lot of time. I started as a complete beginner because I used to work in a factory for 16 years. I went from working 60 hours a week to 14 hours a week from home. Around my 3 kids, I work my business in the nooks and crannies of my day, so it does not take a lot of time. You don't need any experience. If you're ready to learn how to make 100% profit, so you're getting paid for what you're worth, ready to be part of a thriving community where you get live, hands-on, interactive mentorship. If you're ready for the recipe to 10K in May, put May in the comments, and I'd absolutely love to share it with you.